Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hadith number 4, my most beloved. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يكون الله ورسوله أحب إليه مما سواهما. None of you can be a true believer until Allah and His Messenger become dearer to him than anything else. The love for Allah, because He is the one who creates us and He is the one who gives us nourishment. He made the world for us and He is the one who blessed us with all His blessings. Except for Him, nobody has the power to do His. Which is why He is the one who deserves our love the most. And because of Allah's Messenger, we got His pure religious. Otherwise, who knows what could have happened to us? We could have become unsuccessful in the world and the hereafter. That is why, after Allah, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the one whom we should love the most. Jazakallah.